Welcome to the MOTO Machines channel. In today's episode we're going to pimp up my pit. The 190 Beast is going to get a freshen up. We're going to transform its appearance, give it some new tyres, bit of bling and some general TLC. Oh yeah, and also I've got a question that hopefully someone can help me with regarding the carb. Let's get cracking on with it then. I've got a medium-sized task ahead of me. First of all then, I'm just going to run a quick compression test for obvious reasons. I want to know what the bike's compression's like while it's only got 14 hours on it. First job then, air filter off. We've got a nice replacement going on there, uni filter, and then we've got a W Racing filter sock going over that. Cut. Try again. Wow, that's pretty good really. That's 165, I think. It's over 160 psi with the throttle held wide open, the air filter off. Not sure if you can see that. It doesn't look too healthy, I don't think. I haven't got any CR9Es, I think they are. I'll have to order some replacements. Now then, moving on to my question before I forget. I want to replace this carb. I feel like it's holding the bike back. I've heard a few other people mention it. It needs to be addressed. I'm just unsure what's a good option for this bike. Has anyone got any experience with this bike or these carbs on here and know any good solutions for me? I'd be interested to hear because I definitely want to replace it. I'm just a bit unsure what would be a good option, and hopefully someone can help me with that. Next on the to-do list is sort out those tyres. We got to get those wheels off and remove that cheap Chinese budget rubber from around those rims. But I actually did hear that they're Russian tyres. How true that is, I don't know. But they've got to go.
Yeah.
Finally then, we're going to strip off the cosmetic stuff for a facelift, a uni filter, sock cover, some TLC and a bit of bling. Basically, we're going to show the 190 Beast some MOTO Machines love. Yeah, look, we've got a box of goodies. Look at that, we got a gripper seat, some plastics, grips, petrol cap, new shifter, sock cover, uni air filter, we got a few jobs to do then. Can't wait to see what it's going to look like. Hopefully we'll get rid of all that WPB all over it. And there you go. It's all stripped down. Looks pretty mean like that. It's some sort of Mad Max looking bike. Speaking of Mad Max, All that's left to do now then is stick the new plastics on and fit a few new bits and bobs. We were just making progress and we realised we've got a bit of a snag here now. As you can see, when this is on there, the back end is catching. I think I'm just going to get my grinder on it, take a good skim off and do it step by step and see if we can get it on there fitting well. It will go up gears, just won't go down. Just see where it's catching there.